Chris Barron here with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group at Royal LePage Island Living at my latest listing, 238 Bagshaw Street in the heart of Parksville. So you're close to the beach and you're close to shopping. And you have to take a look at this. So we have a 3-bed, 1-bathroom, completely renovated home and a detached shop with flex space and a bathroom. Let's go take a look.